Oh, hi faves. Good morning, morning. Good afternoon and good night. Come say morning to the faves. Come here. Come. Ow. Look. Say good morning. How are you? Still a good morning and bye bye. What are we about to do?
See you later.
See you later. Going to take Tyler to school. And take Tyler to school. Yo, she doesn't want to sit in her stroller these days. She have nothing to do with the stroller when we're taking Tyler to school in the mornings. So she's enjoy walking. She's exercising in the mornings. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing good and staying safe. I am here on the grind as usual. I know many of you on your way to work. So stay safe and be kind. Be kind to somebody. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. I'm gonna head out right now and drop Tyler to school and come back and just get on with my day. So enjoy today's vlog. Tell a friend and tell a friend, and you guys don't skip them ad. Watch them ads. Okay, if the ads are long, just watch a few minutes and then you can move on. Yeah, make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss a vlog when I upload Mondays to Fridays without missing a beat, girl. Okay, so stay on it. Anyway, there's another one here just staring at me. Look at him. Say morning to just as Tyler was about to tell you guys good morning, the battery died. Oh, I woke up this morning and of course I got my workout in, so make sure you guys go over to my workout channel at Body After Baby. Wait, you know it. Come put on a jacket.
And you can
jacket.
Ow!
Come here, and you can speak at the same time.
And can you fix me?
This boy and his shoelace. Sarah, you ready? Sarah is ready. Sarah is ready to go. Give me the next foot, fast.
Not her that need to go. That is the most important to go with me.
Well, she's ready before you. Sarah, leave the light. Hey. There she's up there flickering the light switch. Get up and put on your sweater. Come. You tell Faith what I want now. Oh, you did already. Come.
Move my face.
Yes, they can see here and here. You're too funny. Anyway, what you have to say for yourself before we go? What you have to tell Faith?
Make sure you put the mask in straight. And make sure to vaccine before the year ends. Like that you can protect of COVID.
What do you know about vaccine? What do you know about vaccine?
That if we take vaccine, it will tell us if we're negative or positive. Like that we can protect of COVID.
It helps to protect us from COVID. Yes, that's true. But Mama has never talked to you about vaccine before. So what do you know about vaccine?
Nothing.
Anyway, tell Faith later.
Later.
Look at him in my hair. Go get your school bag. Anyway, we're out, you guys. See you guys later.
You gotta have somebody to tell you bye bye. Bye bye.
No, that's not how he speak. How he speak.
Bye bye.
Alright, turn around. You're too silly. You take your good tea and you drink your green juice. Go drink your green juice.
My green juice.
Drink your juice before Sarah make a mess. Sarah, give that to Mama. Thank you. Take it out of your mouth. Come here. Sarah, give it to me, please.
So go for her.
What's that? Umbrella. What color is it?
Purple.
Purple for the win. Bravo. What is this? Red. R-E-D. Red. You guys, Sarah and I doing letters and numbers and sight words. What number is this?
8.
8. Good job. What number is this? 58. Good job. What is this? Van. Good job. V. What is this? Horse. Bravo. What is this? Frog. Telephone. Who is this? Girl. What's this?
Black.
Yes, it's black, but what is it?
Car.
Black car. Good job, my girl. What is this?
Horse.
Horse. Good job. What's this?
Dog.
Star. Bravo. What is this?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. What is this?
Cat.
Cat. Good job. What's this?
Chicken.
Chicken. You love to eat chicken. You love to eat chicken. What's this?
Dog.
Dog. Bravo. What number is this? 70. What number it is? 70. What number is this? 16. What's this?
Cow.
Cow. Good job. What number is this?
Star.
What number is this?
Star. 17.
17. Good job. That was so clear. What's that?
Apple.
Apple. Bravo.
Elephant.
Elephant. Good job. What's this?
Hat.
Hat. Good job. What number is this?
50.
50. What number?
20.
50. What's that?
A royal
Ants. Say ants.
ant.
This.
20.
20. Number?
20.
20. What is this?
Banana.
Banana. What is this?
5.
5. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job, Sarah. No, y'all tell me. Look at Sarah. You know how many times I beg her not to do that? Sarah, no. Oh my, Sarah. Sarah, pack up. Pack up. Sarah, pack up. Yes, please. Pack up. Pack up all of them. Pack them up. Very good. All of them, pack them up, please. Pack up. Pack them up. I beg her not to do that, you know. I pack them up back nicely. And Sarah go and throw out everything. Pack up, Sarah. Good girl. This is the girl. She's a handful. Princess, what is that? Doll. She take out the doll. It's a doll? You going for your doll? She got for a doll. She went for a doll and she's dancing. Look, they've seen you dance with your doll. You're dancing with you now. You're too cute. You see how she leave me to finish pack up alone? Wow! That's pretty, that's tall. My daughter is such a girly girl. I love it. She's something else. Wow! Continue. Build it high.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Sorry, you're so adorable. Yay! Good job. I like to use a table as a section of her other things. She's doing that one. I have puzzling different areas of the table. I like to do that when she's not on TV time. She's doing puzzle. All these toys were Tyler's own. There's one missing. The boat is missing. Good job. What's that one? Horse. Good job. Bravo. In the kitchen cooking. Today just feel blah. I'm in the kitchen cooking. Tyler is home from school. I already picked up Tyler. You know what I feel for on a day like today? I feel for some corned beef and cabbage and rice. And guess what? That's what I'm cooking. I have one corned beef remaining and I'm going to put it on the list right now. It's always good to have corned beef in the house because sometimes we just feel for it, especially babe. Corned beef. Do you guys have a list in your kitchen so when things finish or you remember things that you want, you just write it on it so that when you go to the supermarket you don't make a mess of yourself? If we don't do that in this house, the house is that we are just a mess. We have a board on the wall too. That one I pause on it for a while because I have something on it that I need to complete before I rub off what's on it. Anyway, you guys, I am making dinner. Sarah is dancing. Tyler is in his room studying his poetry. Baby's in the kitchen washing up as I go along. Alright, you guys, there goes my dinner for today. Lots of carbs and no green veggies today, but that's okay. That's what I feel for, so that's what I'm gonna eat. But dinner looks so good. I want some pepper now. You guys, I'm coming out with the kids to catch the sunsets.
Mama, here will be even better.
Come on.
Here where I am. Better to look
No.
at. Hello, Sarah.
Knees and toes and eye and heel and nose and mouth.
Look how she backing up.
Shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Touch Papa head. No, Papa head.
Touch Papa head.
Papa head.
Touch Papa head.
Papa head. Touch Papa head.
Touch Papa head. Good girl.
Ears.
She's tired. Look at her eyes. Oh my. She is so tired. Oh Lord. Uh-oh, she gets hurt.
Come. Got you. I'm not got you.
She no matter want you, she want mama now. You finish with Papa, you play out Papa and then come to mama for rescue. I don't understand you. Huh? You play out Papa and then come to mama for rescue. Go catch Papa. Go for Papa. Go find Papa. She coming. Tyler is about to go to bed, but he say you have a story to tell me about France. What do you want to tell me about France?
Is that there is some islands.
Island.
There's some islands when there was France. And sometimes the France just go and install their place to one island that is not theirs. For example, Martinique, that I'm talking to you every time. It's one that they attacked the people, so then it became France.
Oh, so France go and take over the island?
Yes.
Hmm.
That's what Mitchell told me.
That's what Mitchell told you? So which other island did France take over?
I think all of the islands.
No, not all of them. Tell me another one.
Saint Martin.
Saint Martin, yes. Which other one?
I don't know other islands. I don't know.
Stop picking your nose.
I don't. Japan.
Japan?
Japan is Japan.
No. Japan is not an island.
And Guadeloupe.
Guadeloupe.
And which country take over?
Madagascar.
No, Madagascar is Madagascar now.
Before it was a France, so
Before it was a French island?
I
before
don't know, but you have something to do with
Well,
French.
you tell I just tell
then
you.
now it was no longer France, so now it's Madagascar and not France anymore.
And which country went and take Jamaica?
Which country took over Jamaica, you know?
England.
Yes, how you know that?
Because they speak English.
You have little sense. Look at him, honey.
His skin is. That's why his teacher tell me. When I saw Tyler teacher, she said Tyler is funny when he gets something right.
His skin is teeth like. She said there is two boys in the class that look alike, Tyler and another boy, but she can't mistake Tyler because Tyler always skinning his teeth. He's too funny. Alright, you have a little sense. Good job. Alright, get ready for bed. Tell Fizz bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Night, night.
Night.
Go to bed. Run along. Chop, chop.
Nice.
Papa ironing.
Sorry.
Somebody come and get this man. Y'all come and get him for me now. Please come and get him. Jesus.
I'm a peon.
You, babe, stop being R. Kelly right now.
Oh, you don't like that? A woman don't like that?
No.
No. Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Hey guys, it's the end of the day. Yes, it's very late.
You need a haircut.
I do need a haircut, but my barber is
Retire. She's tired of you.
She's on strike. Tyler is begging for a haircut. I am begging for a haircut, but obviously
the barber says she need a raise.
She's
She
in
not get
prison.
Pay.
She's in prison.
She need a raise. Baba says she need a raise.
Yeah, I give you ice cream.
Unappreciated. She need a raise. She
I
need
give you
more
ice
pay.
cream and I give you my hurt.
Baba not.
Yeah. Saying that my hurt worth €2. Anyway,
Baba
guys,
says she
I'm
need a
not gonna
raise.
even comment that. She will think about it. Okay.
You give the Baba a raise. Baba said no raise, no haircut. So y'all just look how him hair go grow long.
Yeah. I cut it myself. I make it Zinedine Zidane.
You know Kanye.
Yeah, Zinedine Zidane better than Kanye.
Oh my
I
god.
don't
Baba need a raise though. So when Baba get raised, he'll get a haircut. So they'll know when you get a raise.
What is wrong with you?
Me say, me go mash the camera lens down your head. You watch.
You watch Miguel. Anyway, guys, well, I hope you all had a good day. That was just a simple day, but that's what we do in a Tuesday. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, catch up.
You guys.
A catch up. Give this video a catch up. And the mayonnaise.
The dinner was so good. I ate so much.
Really? What was so good?
The rice and the corned beef.
It wasn't as good as McDonald's.
You want a headache? You want a headache?
Dinner was good. I appreciate it.
So that's it. I'm going to hug your food tomorrow. I'm going to feed your pig your dinner tomorrow. Make you come home and go find something else. Tomorrow I'll feed the pigs your dinner. So you'll find out what nicer than McDonald's. You just a smell that? You're too late. Come, the battery are go dead. Babe, come now. Babe, come. The battery gonna die. Babe, I don't have time.
Alright, then the end of the vlog. Weezer note, more. But not like I need to ring the vlog. If you like, give this video a thumbs up. If just comment, turn on the notification bell, and catch my breath, and catch up and keep up. And we see you guys
tomorrow if he's alive.
if I'm alive tomorrow. Bye.